Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the procedure to fix OBS Studio no desktop audio on your game sound and mic music. So here's how you could fix it. So to fix missing game sound and music in OBS Studio, when using desktop audio, you want to ensure you've chosen the output device is selected in OBS global audio settings. In order to do it, so what you want to do is, first of all, you could go ahead and check the sound settings. Open up your sound settings or right click on the mouse at the bottom of the sound and go to sound settings. Here you want to go to the output section. First of all, make sure that you've selected the correct audio or correct device, and next thing what you want to do is go to the input section and do the same thing. Go to microphone and check whether this has been enabled or not. However, if the issue still persists on, what you could also do is try updating drivers or graphic drivers. For that, you want to go ahead and make sure to open up Device Manager. And when you go to Device Manager, what next you want to do is go to Display Adapters. You want to double click on it. So here you want to go to Audio Input and Output. You want to go to the speaker and click on Update Drivers, and you could go and browse the drivers or update as well. So this way it should be able to fix. You could also go ahead and check the global audio settings. That is, you have to launch the software or open the OBS Studio and click the settings button, and you want to go to select audio and verify desktop audio device. You could also check the mic or auxiliary audio as well. That should be able to help. If the issue still persists on, then you want to try using an alternative app, or maybe consider uninstalling it and then reinstalling it. See, that should be able to help. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.